Benuti is speaking to the landowner in his police car as we speak.
When we did the bloodhound track, what we did was we captured some scents from that vehicle, okay? And the bloodhound went directly to the apartment number, which is your apartment. And I need to